Hello, today is the 25 degree. It's perfect time to install heated grips for cold hands. Oh shit. Winter, favorite time of the year for motorcyclists, because they can plan trips and shopping. I planned to buy heated grips. I decided to go with the original grips, less problem with assemble and better quality. The KTM store offered them for just over $200, so I bought it. And then we had to wait for them. And wait. And wait. And wait. Finally, the courier showed up. The funny thing, I ordered in KTM store parts for the Gasgas, and they came in a Husqvarna box with instructions for Svartbilen 701. Well done, Austrians. I opened the package and saw the long-awaited sight. All that remains is to mount them. So I go to work. Okay, everything is working, so there's time for a coffee. Let's go back to work.
Toréador, et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que le mort t'attend, toréador, l'amour.
I know, I need to take my bike.
On fait silence, à quoi se passe-t-il? Le tourment s'élance en bannissant auditorie. Il s'élance, il entrefrappe en chevelure, en traînant antique d'or. Ah, bravo taureau, secouant ses banderilles, le défiler il coule sur que plein de sang. En s'issant, on franchit le cri, c'est un peu maintenant. Allons, on garde allons, allons, toréador, en garde, toréador, toréador. Et songe bien, oui, songe combattant, que le noir te regarde, et que l'amour t'attend, toréador, l'amour, l'amour t'attend, toréador, toréador.
So, it's done. It looks pretty much the same. Click one more time and see you on the track.